This sacred tree has been worshipped for over 5,000 years. Meet the Peepal tree, Ficus religiosa, a majestic sacred fig native to the Indian subcontinent, where its aerial roots descend like pillars and its canopy shelters entire communities beneath it. The Peepal tree can grow over 30 meters tall and live for more than 1,000 years. Its figs feed over 100 species of birds, bats, and primates, making it a keystone of tropical ecosystems. It relies on a single species of fig wasp for pollination. Without that wasp, the tree cannot produce viable seeds. Its massive canopy can reduce the temperature beneath it by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. And in Sri Lanka, a peepal tree planted in 288 BCE, the Jaya Sri Maha Bodhi, is the oldest verified human-planted tree on Earth. Plant during the monsoon season, June to September in South Asia. Give it at least 15 to 20 meters of clearance from any building or wall. Young saplings need consistent watering for their first 1 to 2 years, but once established, they become remarkably drought-tolerant. Do plant it in open parks, campuses, or restoration sites where it has room to become the giant it's meant to be. Don't plant near buildings, foundations, or underground pipes. Its roots are powerful enough to crack walls and pavements, and if you spot a seedling growing in the crevice of a valued structure, remove it early before the roots cause irreversible damage. From the Indus Valley seals of 3000 BCE to the Bodhi Tree, where the Buddha found enlightenment, the Peepal tree has shaped civilizations. Plant one today, and you plant a legacy that could endure for 1,000 years. Restore, protect, inspire.